Thank you so much. I think everyone has rejoined. All the members, I hope so everyone has rejoined the meeting. So I once again welcome all of you to this event, that is Hit It and Quit It, a new way of learning things. So I request all the members to be ready. The next member we have for the questions is Rohan Chaudhary. Rohan. Rohan? Do we have Rohan? Rohan, over to you. With your questions, be ready, Rohan.
Thank you, sir. So the first question is, which House of Parliament has the power to enact new Indian services and to introduce them? Which House of Parliament has that power?
Okay, so we have Varshit and Rahul.
Myself, Varshit, and the correct answer according to me is Rajya Sabha.
Okay.
My answer is same answer. Rahul Chauhan.
Yes, the correct answer is Rajya Sabha.
Okay.
The next question is, who is appointed for the oath ceremony by the President of India?
Anyone? Deepa, Varshit, and Paras.
The answer is sub-speaker.
Okay.
Hello, Paras this side, and the correct answer is pro tem speaker.
So Paris is correct. The answer is pro tem speaker and not sub-speaker. So the final question is, who was the monarch of Kashmir before partition of India and Pakistan?
So we have Varshit with us. Varshit, what is the
The
correct
correct
answer?
answer is Maharaja Narendra Singh.
Okay. Any other contestant? So this is the wrong answer. Correct answer is Maharaja Hari Singh.
Thank you so much, Rohan. Thank you indeed, Rohan. It was great part. So now we have a new round, the last round for today's. That is a new field that we are going to see in the demo. That is the Musketeers round. Now, before beginning about Musketeers round, it's basically a storytelling round, and a story will be told, and the question will be based on that story. So we have a contender regarding it. The round is the name of the round is the Musketeers, and the participant name is Deepa Mishra. I request Deepa to be ready with her story. Deepa.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. I am going to start my short story. नवी मुंबई का रहने वाला मोहित एक साधारण से कॉल सेंटर में जॉब करता था। बहुत साधारण सी तनख्वाह से वो संतुष्ट तो नहीं था। वो बहुत सफल होकर अपने माता-पिता के सपने पूरे करना चाहता था। तभी एक दिन उसे एक बाबा के बारे में पता चला, जो काफी ज्ञानी थे। वो उनकी खोज में नदी किनारे निकल गया और बाबा से मिलकर अपनी परेशानी बताई। उन्होंने बताया कि यहीं कहीं नदी किनारे एक पत्थरों का ढेर है, जिसमें से एक पत्थर ऐसा है जिसको छूते ही वो सोने में बदल जाता है। वो कई दिनों तक उसे ढूंढता रहा, बहुत परिश्रम किया और सभी ठंडे पत्थरों को पानी में फेंकता रहा। कई दिनों की मेहनत के बाद उसने जब एक और पत्थर को फेंका तो उसे महसूस हुआ कि वो वही पत्थर था जो अनोखा और गर्म था, जो अब की नदी की गहराई में जाकर कहीं खो चुका है। इस स्टोरी के बेसिस पर मेरा पार्टिसिपेंट से क्वेश्चन ये है that you have to relate this story with the quote hard work with smart work.
Anyone? So we have Varshit and Siddhant with the answers. Varshit, Siddhant, one by one.
So my views on Siddhant this side. So my views on this quote is, hard work is basically a particular work which is being done by physical efforts, and smart work is applying mental efforts to reduce the time on complication of the work. So अगर ये लड़का अगर स्मार्ट वर्क करता तो उसको ज्यादा अच्छे से सफल होने के चांसेस थे, रेदर देन उसने हार्ड वर्क किया, किसी बाबा की बात में आया जिसकी वजह से उसका टाइम भी वेस्ट हुआ, विच इज एक्चुअली द प्रीशियस मनी वी कैन से, और वो उसको कुछ हासिल भी नहीं हो पाया.
Anyone else?
Siddhant. Siddhant.
Okay, moving forward.
Okay.
Moving forward, my next question is relating to the story. Mohit was gullible and got influenced to the idea of Baba or saint. And I want to ask that is this justificable in today's context? If yes, then why? And if no, then why not?
So we have Rohan. Rohan, yes.
तो आज के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में देखा जाए तो फिर हमें इतनी आसानी से परसुएट नहीं होना चाहिए किसी के लिए. There are many things in our world which we don't know. For example, there are many mysteries, and also in our fields, which are career-related fields, there is a lack of knowledge and lack of awareness. So we should not be persuaded by anyone. We should thoroughly research about that field. हमें गूगल कर लेना चाहिए, हमें दूसरे वेब ब्राउजर्स पे भी देख लेना चाहिए, दूसरी वेबसाइट से देख लेना चाहिए कि क्या है, क्या चीज मैं करना चाहता हूँ, उसकी थोड़ी रिसर्च कर लेनी चाहिए ताकि एक बंदे के ऊपर आप डिपेंड ना हो. So you can also have your own thinking power. So in today's context, you should do your own research before starting something new. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Deepa. So here we have now the special round. That was I was talking with Paras last in the last question when he said that there was a query. So now we have the answer key challenge now, where if anyone wishes to answer any challenge, he or she may ask now. He or she can now raise his hand for any answer key challenge query. Anyone? For answer. Okay, Paras. Okay, Paras. Yes, Paras.
Sir. The second question asked by, I think, Siddhant, that work, और अभी मैंने गूगल किया है and my answer was very correct. तो अगर मुझे स्क्रीन शेयरिंग आप लोग अलाउ करोगे तो मैं आपको दिखा सकता हूँ the correct answer.
Okay, it is allowed.
Sir, host has not allowed it yet.
Okay, I'm allowing it.
So, sir, here it is. Facebook shut down an artificial intelligence experiment after two robots began talking in common language they understood, and the chatbots Alice and Bob. That was my answer as well.
Okay, so indeed, seeing to it, I think it was a question by Bobby. Okay.
So it was a question from Siddhant, I think.
So Siddhant, okay, the question was from Siddhant. I think Siddhant, you must go through it properly, and before asking the question, you should know the answer before. Well in hand, because answer is very important. If you are lacking in knowledge, then you might end like this. So so I would like our judge Praveen Khar to add plus 10 bonus points to Paras and minus 10 points to Siddhant for his wrong information regarding the answer. So that is how the answer key challenge round goes. Anyone else for answer key challenge? Okay, so no one is there for answer key challenge. So I would request Praveen Khar to take over and tell us about the scores. Who has won this great quiz? That name is Hit It and Quit It. Let's see the results.
So as per the marking scheme, the winner is Bobby with a score of 11.5 marks. And the second position has been achieved by Paras because of his honest answer and fighting for the truth, he have got a total of 10 marks. And the third winner is with a total score of 5 marks.
Okay, great. So we have the most intellectual person as Paras. Thank you so much, Paras, and all the participants for joining. So I would request Praveen to take over for the further proceedings of the event. Thank you so much.
This was a demo where we have tried to cover all the approximate queries of the students and what are the expectations they assume from us. What can be cases and what can be the challenges to the organizing team. We have covered each and every possibility what have been told till now to us.